Welcome to Angeline, a new, innovative community that is one of a kind. It is a massive master planned community that is the talk of the town. You're going to want to stay tuned in this in-depth tour as we will be giving new, detailed information on the builders, amenities, including model homes for you to tour. Let's take a look at one of the community reps show us an overview of Angeline.
We'll connect from 52 to 54, Ridge Road to Suncoast Parkway, also Ridge Road to 41. That's the farm up here at the front. I want to say they said January for the farm. Conservation throughout the whole neighborhood, that's going to be beautiful. Well, this is all conservation here. The lagoon's going to go in this area where the future town center is. Target, restaurants, anything you can think of. And it's going to be the metropolitan of Land Lakes.
Now, let's take a look at some of the model homes. As you can see here in this lovely garage, you can step up inside into your own personal little attic or extra storage room. Now that we're done browsing around the model homes, let's head over to the farm. As you can see here, they're still constructing it, and at the top right hand corner you have your clubhouse as well. Now let's take a look at some live aerial views from the community. Now while we look at some drone footage, I'm going to tell you a few facts about the community. Angeline is spanning 6,200 acres in Pasco County. 775 acres are for Moffett Pasco Life Sciences Development, as well as 130 acres will go to regional park and lake use, as well as up to 100 miles of planned trails and pathways. But wait, there's more. As you can see here, this is a newly opened Angeline Academy of Innovation STEM, middle and high school. Not only will the community have this, but they are also going to build a lagoon that's going to have a swim-up bar, floating obstacle course, paddle boards, and more. Not just that, you'll also have a town center and commercial space use. This town center will have potential for 4 million square feet of office, dining, and entertainment. Now here are some poster boards just giving some more information about what's going on in the community.